हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम रेडियल वेलोसिटी एंड ट्रांसवर्स एक्सेलरेशन के बारे में जो हमने जानकारी प्राप्त की है, फॉर्मूले अभी तक हमने डिराइव किए हैं। इससे पहले आपने ट्रांसवर्स एक्सेलरेशन वेलोसिटी और नॉर्मल वेलोसिटी एंड एक्सेलरेशन के एग्जाम्पल्स भी थे। आज रेडियल एंड ट्रांसवर्स वेलोसिटी और एक्सेलरेशन से संबंधित एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। इस लेक्चर में पहला एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं। इससे पहले हम देखिए, आपने सीखा है कि रेडियल एक्सेलरेशन की अगर हम बात करें और अगर हम रेडियल वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला दें तो आपने देखा रेडियल वेलोसिटी इज आर डॉट एंड एक्सेलरेशन इज आर डबल डॉट माइनस आर थीटा डॉट स्क्वायर। इसी प्रकार से अगर हम ट्रांसवर्स वेलोसिटी की बात करें तो वेलोसिटी आप जानते हैं कि आर थीटा डॉट होती है। और अगर हम ट्रांसवर्स एक्सेलरेशन दें तो ट्रांसवर्स एक्सेलरेशन इज आर थीटा डबल डॉट प्लस 2 आर डॉट थीटा डॉट। और इन अदर वर्ड्स से ये लिखा जा सकता है 1 आर डी डी टी ऑफ आर स्क्वायर थीटा डॉट। सो इन फॉर्मूले के साथ आप अगर हम इस एग्जाम्पल की बात करें तो हियर द रेडियल एंड ट्रांसवर्स वेलोसिटीज the radial and transverse velocities of a particle are lambda square and mu theta square. It means this is radial velocity, so lambda square is radial velocity. It means it is r dot. Here radial velocity is r dot. So lambda square is r dot. And second, mu theta square here is transverse velocity, and transverse velocity is r theta dot. It means r theta mu theta square is r theta dot. So mu theta square is r theta dot. इस प्रकार से हमने दो इक्वेशन इस क्वेश्चन के फर्स्ट सेंटेंस से प्राप्त करी। क्या है वो? द रेडियल एंड ट्रांसवर्स वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए पार्टिकल आर लैम्डा स्क्वायर एंड म्यू थीटा स्क्वायर। सो लैम्डा स्क्वायर इज आर डॉट एंड म्यू थीटा स्क्वायर इज आर थीटा डॉट। सो वी हैव टू इक्वेशंस. इक्वेशन 1 आर डॉट इज लैम्डा स्क्वायर, 2 आर थीटा डॉट इज म्यू थीटा स्क्वायर. Now show that the equation to the path of the particle is, so we have to find path of the particle. Path of the particle means relation between r and theta. R and theta. This gives path of particle. So we want to find the relation between r and theta. Here, if you want to path of the particle, then you have to find relation between r and theta. Here, this will be this one. So we have to show that this is the path of the particle. So we have two equations. First is r dot equals to lambda r square, and second is r theta dot equals to nu theta square. You know, here r dot means dr dt, and theta dot is d theta dt. So if we divide 1 by 2, then numerator of this is r dot, means dr dt, and denominator is r theta dot, it means r d theta dt. So here this is r 1 over r. R is in denominator, and if dt cancels out, then this is dr dt. So left side is 1 over r dr d theta equals to right hand side lambda over mu r square over theta square, lambda over mu r square over theta square. So this gives here this mu is in here, and over r cube dr equals to lambda over theta square d theta. This becomes this one. Now on integrating, you know, this is differential equation of order first. This is the differential equation of order first, and here we separated parameters. So on separating parameters, we have this equation, and now on integrating, if we integrate 1 over r cube, then with respect to r it becomes minus 1 over 2r square, and 1 over 2r square multiplied by mu this equals to, if we integrate with respect to theta, 1 over theta square is minus 1 over theta. So c is integration constant. Now we have lambda over theta equals to mu over 2r square plus c. This is equation of r. This is relation between r and theta. This is the equation. So first part of our equation is completed, and now for second part, equation of path, we have find lambda over theta equals to mu over 2r square plus constant, and second part is its radial and transverse components of acceleration. We have to find its radial and transverse components of acceleration. So radial component of acceleration is r double dot minus r theta dot square, and transverse component of acceleration is this one. So we have to find 1 over r ddt of r square theta dot, and r double dot minus r theta dot square. So now since here in this formula there is r double dot, so we want to find r double dot. So by equation 1, r double dot is this one, that is on differentiating with respect to p, equation 1 becomes left side is r double dot and right side is 2 lambda r dot, and again put the value of r dot from 1 lambda r square, then this is r double dot is then 2 lambda square r cube. So here r double dot is 2 lambda square r cube in this case. Now the component transverse radial component of acceleration, this one, radial component of acceleration is r, we know r double dot minus r theta dot square, and r double dot is we have find 2 lambda square r square from here, r cube 2 lambda square r cube put here, and minus r in theta dot. Theta dot can be put from 2 mu theta square over r. Theta dot is here, this is theta dot, and this theta dot is mu theta square over r. Maybe we have to cut in theta dot square means square of theta dot. This is mu square theta dot over r square. And now this is this one. So radial component of acceleration is this one. And now transverse acceleration is now transverse acceleration is 1 over r ddt of r square theta dot, and since theta dot is r theta dot is mu theta square, so here this is r and this is r theta dot. R theta dot is mu theta square, and on difference between this with respect to t, mu is constant, so mu over r, and r dot theta square plus 2 r dot theta dot theta dot theta theta. So again put value of r dot, which is lambda square from equation 1, and theta dot is mu theta square upon r. So r dot is lambda square r and theta dot is mu theta square over r here, and so we get this is the component transverse component of acceleration. So in this question we have done two things. First, equation of path, we have find equation of path, and second one is we have find component of acceleration in along radius vector and perpendicular to radius vector. These are this one. So you can solve this question like that. Now question second. Here, if the radial and transverse velocity of particle if the radial and transverse velocities of a particle are always proportional to each other. Here, देखिए, radial velocity is proportional to transverse velocity. So you know radial velocity is r dot and transverse velocity is r theta dot. So r dot and r theta dot are proportional. Radial velocity first is r dot, and second transverse velocity is r theta dot, and here these are proportional, means these are proportional. So we can write from this sentence r dot is proportional to r theta dot. Then we have equation 1. Since r dot is proportional to r theta dot, this is proportional constant lambda. So this is equation 1. And then so that the path of the upcoming path, find path means relation between r and theta. We have to find relation between r and theta. So r dot is dr dt, theta dot d theta dt. This is differential equation of order first on separating parameters. Left side dr over r plus 2 lambda d theta, and on integrating log r equals to lambda theta plus log of c is increasing constant means r equals to c e or lambda theta. This is equation of equivalent spiral and path relation between r. This is the relation between r and theta. So this is the angular spiral. Second part of this question is this relation is also true for the radial and transverse acceleration. इसमें जहाँ ये कहा गया है रेडियल और ट्रांसवर्स एक्सेलेरेशन के प्रोपोर्शनल होते हैं. It means that radial acceleration is r divided by 1 side theta dot square, and transverse acceleration is 1 over r ddt of r square theta dot. These are also proportional. This mu is proportional constant, and now first term is r divided dot minus r theta dot. Put the value of theta dot. This is theta dot is r dot over lambda r from equation 1. Theta dot is r dot over lambda r. This one. Theta dot is r dot over lambda. So put here theta dot this is square means r dot square or lambda square r square, and then solving this is r double dot. R dot square is lambda square r. Here is r cancel, and now in the right hand side mu over lambda r. Here lambda is constant, and difference is this is r double dot plus r dot square. So this is mu over lambda r double dot over r dot by dividing both sides by r dot. देखिए और इसको r dot से डिवाइड कर दिया था आपको, यहाँ इस टर्म को r dot से डिवाइड कर देते हैं, r dot यहाँ रह जाता है. दिस वन r double dot r dot डिवाइड बाय r dot हमने बोथ साइड्स किए हैं, तो दिस इज r dot, दिस इज r हियर, एंड r dot डबल डॉट ओवर r dot यहाँ कॉमन. This is 1 minus lambda u over lambda equals to the right hand side में r dot over r common, this one, and 1 over lambda square plus mu over lambda, or it can be written as r double dot over r dot equals to r dot over r multiplied by k. This is constant. This over this is a constant. Say this is constant k. Now on integrating, r double dot over r dot is log r dot. Log r dot कंप्लीमेंट करिएगा, देखिए आप पाएंगे r double dot over r dot. It means integration of r double dot over r dot is log r dot. Right hand side again, r dot over r is log of r. आप log r का डिफरेंशिएशन करें with respect to t, then this is r dot over r. Okay, and integration constant say log of c. This gives r dot plus 2 c r is to power k. So r dot is this one. And again this gives here put equation 1, r dot equals to lambda r theta dot. R dot equals to lambda r theta dot. So put value of r dot, which is lambda r theta dot, is c r power k. This gives r theta dot equals to c over lambda r power k. हमारा इंटरेस्ट यहाँ से r थीटा डॉट फाइंड करने दे रहा हूँ. इक्वेशन 2 से यहाँ हमारा इंटरेस्ट r थीटा डॉट फाइंड करने में है. इक्वेशन 2 r डॉट है. ऐसा क्यों? इसलिए कि we know velocity is square root of r dot square, so we have to find r dot, and r theta dot square, so we have to find r theta dot. Put values of r dot from 2 and r theta dot from 3, we get this one, which is again another constant, say b, and It means the velocity is proportional to any power of r. Any power of r here, r will be called k. So k is this one. So हमें कहा गया है कि यदि ये संबंध गणितीय अणीय प्रस्तरण के लिए भी सत्य है, मीन्स प्रोपोर्शनल नियम का पालन करता है, तो इसका वेग ध्रुवांतर r के किसी घात के जो हमारी यहाँ k के समान होते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन है। ओके।